Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete your account with Appsumo. In order to do so, first off, if you are an appsumo.com and you're logged in, then you should see a screen similar to this. Up at the top right hand corner are your account options, and if you select profile, you will find that there are no information here related to deleting your account. That is because you're going to need to contact Appsumo directly. After doing a search on the website, I found in the Help Center the information related to canceling your account. Here it says that in order to do so, you're going to need to email support@appsumo.com with your request to do so, and they'll be happy to help. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.